A couple things have really aligned. One, the Holy Father came out with his encyclical, Laudato Si, which tells us we should embrace solar and doing the right thing for our environment. So that, we listen to the Holy Father. That's a big impact. But then when I put my finance officer hat on, it also makes a lot of sense on the financial side now too.
To just kind of start off with was just the idea of kind of why we're here in the first place. I mean, kind of what we're all talking about here, this idea that there's this climate change, this global warming thing that we all hear about, and how can we impact that on the parish level, as individuals, what can we do? And it comes down to energy. Is kind of the simplest, kind of most direct way we can do that.
This is a burgeoning space right now. There's a lot going on. Lots of new companies entering, lots of new technologies being experimented with. This team here is a terrific model for doing this work.
What we've seen so far has been very promising. In fact, we've signed a contract for one location already, one of our parishes, and we're just moments away from signing the contract for the diocese. So we're trying to be a leader in this ourselves.
It's really more about looking at your efficiencies first. How can we reduce our current demand first and then offset the rest? We look at lighting, we look at your heating and your air conditioning, we look at windows. Anywhere where you're potentially using energy that you don't need to, where we can reduce your current usage levels. And so we try to create a structure that essentially requires no out-of-pocket expense, where the savings from all the efficiencies in the solar are greater than the payment on that financing.
There's not another entity in the world that is better prepared to follow through and really make a mark in terms of what the Pope had written.